Alright, now hello and good morning everyone. So Mr. Firdaus here. So we meet again on our online class. So for today it's going to be a little bit different, where you guys are going to be listening and going to be watching this video in order for you to understand this topic. So before this, in our previous online classes, we have covered about fractions. So fractions such as the improper fraction, the mixed number, improper, how to convert from improper into mixed number, and vice versa. So now today we are going to look at something where we will always use, okay, which is to convert fraction to decimal. So now, to convert fraction to decimal, the important part is you would have to divide the fraction. Now for example, I'm going to give you a question, example of a fraction, which is 17 over 4. So the numerator is 17 and the denominator is 4. And always remember that this fraction bar is divide. Okay, it's meaning divide. Okay, it means divide. So how does it work? 17, the numerator should be inside. You divide by 4, which is the numerator, which is the denominator. Sorry. So numerator inside, denominator should be outside. So you start the division as per normal from the left. Okay, so you look at 1 first. Nothing multiplies 4 can get 1. So you skip to 17. So you will get 4 times 4, which is 16. Then you minus. So 17 minus 16 equals to 1. Now, as our per normal division, you will already get this answer, which is 4, 1 out of 4. But that is not what we want. Okay, we will want to continue dividing until we get a decimal. Now, how will you do that? There's no number behind 17, so you create an imaginary 0. Okay, then you bring down the 0. Before you proceed, put a decimal place behind the 4, your answer. So now continue. What times 4 is 10? So the closest is 2, which is 8. So then you minus, you get 10 minus 8 equals to 2. But then there's still a remainder. Continue by putting an imaginary 0. No need to put another decimal, just once. Alright, so continue. So what times 4 is 20? So which is 5 times 4 is 20. So you minus. Okay, so after you've done, you've got no remainder. Your answer should be on the top here, 4.25. So 4.25. So this is how you divide a fraction. Now let's continue with another example, just so that we can get familiar with it. So another example. Now let's say I'll give you another one, which is a 21 out of 12. Okay, still an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So again, this fraction bar means divide. So you would have to do the numerator inside and the denominator outside. Alright, so what times 12 is 21? So that is your first thing. You cannot multiply by 2 because you will get 24, already exceed the 21. So you maintain with 1 here, you will get 12. So you borrow, become 11, this one become 1. So 11 minus 2, you will get 9. You have a remainder. So that is the thing that we don't want. So what to do? Yes, we continue, we create an imaginary 0. We bring down the 0 there. But then, don't forget to put your decimal dot. Okay, please don't forget to put the decimal. That's very crucial. Okay, so now let's continue. What times 12 is 90? Okay, your answer should be a 7 up here, because 7 times 12 is 84. Okay, 84. So 90 minus 84, you borrow, become 10. This one become 8. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Still there's a remainder there. So what do? You create another 0 here. So you bring down, becomes 60. So finally, 5 times 12 is 60. So no more remainder. So your answer is on top here, which is 1.75. That is how you look for a decimal. Now, let's just do another 2 more question or 3 more question. so that you can get the hang of it. Okay, so now let's say, okay, same topic, we're going to convert fraction to decimal. Okay, sorry for the bad handwriting. Convert fraction to decimal. So let's choose another one. Okay, now let's say I give you a number, a 3-digit number, 100 over 8. 100 over 8 seems weird, right? So now remember, fraction bar means divide, numerator inside 100 divided by 8, 100 divided by 8. So first of all, you look at 1. Nothing can times 8 get 1. You look at the double digit meaning 10. So closest one is 2. Is it 2? No, because 2 times 8 is 16. So you just put 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Minus, you get 10 minus 8 is 2. This is the 0 from the question. So you bring down, become 20. So what times 8 is 20? What times 8 is 20? So the answer is 2. So 2 times 8 is 16. You minus, you will get 4. And there's a remainder. So for you to get rid of the remainder, remember, create an imaginary 0 and bring down the 0 there. And what do you have to do? Put the decimal dot. So what times 8 is 40? So it's going to be easy, which is 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, so you're done. There's no more remainder. So the decimal to this value of fraction is 12.5. Okay, I hope everyone is clear. Let's do another one. Okay, why not you guys do it first? Okay, why not you guys do it first, and then I'll show the working for you. So 39 over 4. Okay, I give you guys about 2 minutes to do this, and then I will come back and see and give you out the answers. Okay, just remember to divide. Okay, you can start now. Okay, now let's see. Okay, I hope you guys remember, this is division. So you have to put the numerator inside and the denominator outside. So now, obviously 3 is smaller than 4, so you cannot start with the first digit. So you go straight away to double digit, which is 39. So what times 4 is 39? The closest one is 9 times 4 is 36. You minus, you will get 3. You have a remainder. So this is where you proceed your division by creating an imaginary 0. Bring it down. Don't forget what? Yes, the decimal dot. Okay, decimal dot there. So now, what times 4 is 30? There's nothing times 4 gets 30. The closest one is 7. So 7 times 4 is 28. Looking at this minus, this subtraction, you will obviously have another remainder. So 2. What to do next? Good. Create another 0 and bring it down. Okay, so now your answer is 20. So what do you get? How do you get 20? Good. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, so minus, done. So you finish your division, your long division, and your answer for this question is 9.75. Okay, everybody clear? Now, I'm going to do one last one before I let you guys continue with your worksheet after this. Now, let's say another one, which is 796 over 8. 796 over 8. Now let's see. So same, don't be worried about bigger numbers. Similar thing. So 796 is the numerator. So inside you divide by 8. Okay. So looking at the number, 7 is smaller than 8. So you cannot start with a single digit. You start with a double digit. So 79. Okay, 79. So what's the number here? Good. 9 times 8 is 72. So you minus 9 minus 2, you will get 7. Then you bring down your 6. Okay, 6 was the actual number there. So now it's 76. Still 9, because 9 times 8 is 72. You minus, you will get 4. And there goes the number. Done. So you want a decimal. So you have to continue. Continue by putting an imaginary 0. You bring down, you get 0 there. So don't forget to put the decimal. Then 5 times 8 is 40. So minus, you get 0, 0. So your answer to this fraction is 99.5. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. So now let's continue with our worksheet about this topic. So thank you for listening. I hope you guys understand, and let's do the worksheet. Thank you. Bye bye.